Hey, yeah, I want y'all to check this out. It's new tool in action. Sometimes most of our cars are single piston calipers, but this is a 1500, by the way. It happens to have a dual piston setup. So it's a funky way. Explain what you're doing, man.
I'm compressing the caliper pistons, and since this is a dual piston setup, I have to have a special tool to compress them both at the same time. A lot of guys use channel locks. You're not supposed to. So I bought this tool and made life a hell of a lot easier ever since. Just keep ratcheting. It's like a normal ratchet, you know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And once it's bottomed out, you go ahead and flip this lever, then you loosen it.
What was we doing before this was invented?
Channel locks.
Pushing them in one by one.
Yeah, one by one, or get a single piston caliper compressor and just do them one by one. But that one, you know, it decreases the time by 50%.
Alrighty guys, real quick, I'm at my neighbor's area. I had to go get my jump box. Okay, y'all see that? JT, I had to etch my name in my jump box. Now, his jump box was sitting up here. Now guys, looking at the rear of these jump box, they similar, right? They look exactly the same. Alright, now let me turn this one around. Alright, y'all see this one? This is mine, DSR Pro Series. Alright, let me turn this one around. Matco 2s. Okay, now what do we have going on here? These jump boxes look exactly the same, okay, but one has a different sticker on it. Okay, what is really happening here? Now, y'all know me, I'm a Mopar guy, right? Mopar don't make jump box, however, okay, so I had to default to this Pro Series DSR. Now, this part of the jump box has a proper company name on it that makes the jump box, I assume. This part here has a sticker on it that's, I don't know, man, something fishy going. These look awful similar, guys. I don't know. Anybody guess the price difference? Let me know in the comment section. Hey guys, real quick, let's talk. Do y'all see this? This is a fuel gauge or fuel door release button. You push that door's supposed to open. As you can see, it's not opening the gas. In the event you're in an emergency, you really got to get in here and get some gas. You're on E and you can't make it home. All cars, especially SUVs like this, going to be equipped with some type of emergency right here. Ta-da! Y'all see that? That is the emergency shift. Not shift, that is the emergency fuel door opener. If I pull this, all right, let me show y'all. Y'all see the door closed right now, right? When I pull this, then you see that it opened. Okay, so just about every SUV type, anything with an electric fuel tank door. Okay, I might be saying that wrong, but yeah, you will have some type of emergency cable somewhere. I had to remove this to get to this. All right, just so you know. Alrighty guys, real quick, I'm gonna do this humorous video. My buddy, he done went all the way to the other end of the shop. This is a good time to do it. I sent him down here, he wanted to help, so I was like, yeah, just throw this drive shaft in. Well, he get to this part right here and the drive shaft would not reach. It would not go all the way in. Y'all see that? There's too much clearance. All right, so after I got the looking around, I come to this part right here and I find this. All right, yes guys, this is wrong. Okay, so this part here go upwards. All right, just flip and invert it. It goes the other way. All right, so once you get that corrected, that will pull you, give you more room to go in here. All right, again, I'm not here to dog them out. I just find this a little hilarious, but we got to pay attention, guys. We got to stay focused. Now, if you didn't take this apart, I mean, I don't know, but you would think a little common sense would kick in. I mean, even though you didn't take it apart, like, I don't know. All right, but yeah, it's just a little humorous video, man. Y'all stay focused out there. Alrighty guys, real quick, let's talk about some tools. Y'all see this? fancy hook tool, guys, used to take this hose clamp or this hose off right here. Now I had to get this clamp off first, guys. Now I have a tool to install the new clamp right here. Okay, in fact, here is the new clamp. All right, so I got a lot of stuff going on here, but for number one, this tool right here, this hook, let's talk about this hook, guys. It is needed to break the seal of this hose right here. This is very much, it's been on so long, it's almost feel like it's sealed up. All right, now I don't know if I can get this off with in this little time that I have on this short video, but some people may not know how to use this. All right, I'm not a tool expert, but yeah, just get it under there. May work out for me. Oh, look at that. There you go. All right, that's tool right here. You don't have no twisting room, so you almost gotta have a tool. All right, y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, another shortest video. Guys, I got this clamp right here. You have to analyze this stuff first. So here's the thinking goes, guys. Use your tool. What you're trying to do is get this piece right here under here. That's what locks it in place. So with your tool, with the clamp on the hose, and you squeeze this, all you hoping for is this little piece to jump up under here. All right, that's what locks it in place. You don't want to do it now. You want to do it when you get it on the hose. All right, because this is real funky. You got to pay close attention. All right, let's see what happens. All right, guys, I got the hose clamp in place. Let's grab the tool, put it in position. And remember what we talked about. Our motive here is for this to go under here, meaning it's now locked in place. Let's see what happens. Wow, you saw that? Got it. All right, motive accomplished. I have accomplished my motive. That is now under here. So that is now in place, guys. Alrighty, guys, real quick, 3.2 Cherokee P012A thermostat, guys. I got the new one on it. Here's the old one. Yes, it even started leaking. All right, we had this incident with this clamp, guys. Watch one of my past videos concerning this clamp, but now I'm done, guys. This job is done. At least the thermostat is on. All right, now it's time to make sure we have no air pockets. Let's get that out. Y'all see what I'm about to use right here? Mopar, guys. Antifreeze. This is the 10-year antifreeze this car calls for. Will other antifreeze work? Absolutely. This is my antifreeze of choice, okay, for this particular car. All right, I do not use German antifreeze. This is mine. It's that big old M. Yes, guys. All right, it's enough clowning around, JT. Let's get this. Guys, y'all know the drill. You put this in until the coolant come out. All right, I'm out of time on the short videos, so as long as y'all understand my motive here. All right, I gotta go. That's all I have.